Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find the history of installed apps on your Google Play Store. So here I'm going to just start by opening the Play Store. Okay, so if you want to find the list of apps that you've already installed in the past but not currently installed on your phone, you can just go to Google Play and then click on your photo profile at the top right corner, this one, and then go to the Manage Apps and Device option. Okay, so here click on the Manage tab, and after that on the install box right here you can just click on it and go to Not Installed. Okay, so not installed means that these apps are the apps that you've already installed in the past but not currently installed on your phone. So you can see the list in here, and if you want to reinstall the apps, you can just click on the apps and click on install button again, or you can also delete the apps from your history by clicking on the box and click on the trash icon to remove it at the top right corner. Click on remove. Okay, so that's all for me this tutorial. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.